Financial institutions process thousands of transactions every second, with fraudulent activities often disguised as legitimate ones and flagged by detection systems. Each flagged case typically requires manual, time-intensive investigation process. Introducing FinShield AI. Powered by a Workato Genie, FinShield autonomously investigates transactions, classifies fraud types, and generates compliance-ready suspicious activity report within minutes. Let's see how it works. Detected fraud events can trigger Workato Genie through API or event-based mechanisms. In this demonstration, a simulated transaction using inputs such as account ID, transaction ID, and timestamp initiates the flow, after which the Genie agent takes over the processing. In a real-world implementation, the fraud detection system can invoke Workato Genie directly via APIs or through event triggers, such as the creation of a new record in the fraud detection database. Let's walk through a few real-world fraud scenarios to see how the platform responds in each case. We'll begin with a card stolen scenario. In a card stolen scenario, a physical card is used before the customer notices. The Genie detects POS card-present transactions, sudden spikes in transaction velocity, and merchant categories inconsistent with customer behavior. These signals map to predefined rules in the knowledge base. The solution sends a real-time notification to the customer. If the customer denies the transaction, the solution escalates the case to block the transaction and generates a detailed SAR report, including fraud classification, confidence score, and investigation summary. If there's no response within 3 minutes, the case is automatically routed for human analyst review, ensuring complete oversight. For example, a transaction occurring in a different country within a short time span strongly indicates a stolen card pattern. In parallel, the solution generates Suspicious Activity Report, SAR, with comprehensive details on fraud analysis. Create a ticket in Case Management System and assign to L2 Fraud Investigation Team with SAR report as attachment, and Slack alerts to the Fraud Investigation channel as notification, all within under 5 minutes. Next, let's look at another common scenario, friendly fraud. The friendly fraud, a legitimate customer disputes a genuine transaction. Here, the Genie checks historical fraud patterns, applies rule precedents based on prior fraud activity, and pulls past SAR reports and audit logs. The updated SAR combines both current transaction data and historical fraud context, ensuring more accurate investigation and reporting. The last scenario is card not present CNP fraud. In this fraud, the card details are used online without the physical card. The Genie detects unknown device, new countries, unusual transaction timing, such as late-night activity, transaction value far exceeding normal behavior. If the customer confirms the transaction is valid, the solution immediately acknowledges and closes the case without escalation. FinShield integrates seamlessly with your existing enterprise systems via REST APIs connecting case management workflows, CRM customer data, and notification platforms for instant 2FA and consent handling. At its core, the platform deploys 2 intelligent engines: the Fraud Investigation Agent, which delivers real-time analysis and automated SAR generation, and the Fraud Analyzer Agent, running continuously in the background to catch complex patterns of friendly fraud and anomalous behavior. FinShield is an AI-powered back-office fraud investigation solution built for maximum operational efficiency and accuracy. The ROI delivers 20 to 25% cost savings, slashes investigation and SAR report generation time by up to 80%, from hours to minutes. The platform unifies the approach across fraud, AML, and financial crime domains by identifying complex patterns like friendly fraud. It also reduces false positives to lower operational workloads, boost approval rates, and guarantee strict regulatory compliance. Stop losing hours to manual investigations, shield your institution, optimize outcomes, and talk to our experts today to see FinShield in action.